Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today the weather is a bit gloomy and this kind of weather makes me feel very lazy. But I am excited on the other hand since today I am going to unbox the new paint brushes which I recently bought from Amazon. Well, for a long time I was thinking of buying new paint brushes since the bristles of my old brush became crusty and rough, and I was struggling to paint with those brushes, especially while doing any detailing work. The first set is 24 pieces synthetic paint brush from Artify with a palette knife. These are all-purpose brush and you can use for all the types of color: watercolor, gouache, acrylic. I love the size range of this brand. The bristles are so soft and smooth. Also, the packaging is something I would definitely mention. The cloth roll is really handy when you are traveling somewhere and you can pack them easily without worrying about destroying the brush hair. Overall, I love them a lot. Also, it's the whole artist set where you get thin brush as well as big round brush, flat brush, fan brush, and not to mention the palette knife. I would highly recommend this set. Also, some tips are mentioned on the box how to store them properly so that they are long lasting. Now moving on to another set of brush I bought from Hashtip. These are fine tip synthetic brush, best for any detailing painting. These are really affordable and also have soft bristles. I bought this since my thin detailing brush were destroyed due to excessive use, and especially when you are using chemical based color, the brush hair becomes rough and tips are also destroyed. So I bought this detailing brush other than the whole set of brush. Today I would like to share something since I believe some of the artists also feel the same way. First thing is, I reached 100 subscribers and I'm very happy and also very grateful at the same time. Thank you everyone for the support and all the love you have shown me throughout the journey. Well, the thing is, I am not a full-time artist. I have another job and I do painting on my weekends since I get time only on my weekends. So sometimes I'm really stressed out from the whole week's work and don't feel like doing anything on my free time. But art is something which helps me overcome that stress and helps me to keep myself calm without any worry. Well, sometimes lot of stress can block your creativity and also you feel impatient. And during that time, when you create art, it sometimes does not meet your satisfaction level. That time we start doubting our talent and then slowly stop creating anything and move away from it, thinking we are not good enough. Well, don't ever do that, since it's the part of the process that you feel like not creating or your creativity is not up to the mark. It's just not that you are a bad artist, but you need to clear your mind and start again. After all, we are all human beings, and not everything will be perfect. Try to embrace this process. Don't just give up thinking we are not talented enough. As an artist, you do everything, right? From creating your art to editing your videos and maintaining your work-life balance as well. So, art sometimes are not up to the mark. Like today, I woke up really late and was little impatient with my painting, and my art is not up to my satisfaction level. It bothers me a little bit, but I will not give up. I will learn from my mistakes and keep on creating new arts. These are my honest experiences which I wanted to share with you all. I hope it helped everyone. Please do watch the full video to see how these bookmarks turned out in the end. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.